Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Eboh, in case you don't know. So if you're new in this channel, you're highly welcome. I want to use this opportunity to thank every new subscribers in this channel. You guys are so dope. Thank you so much for being part of the channel. You are highly welcome, and I want to let you know that your presence here is 100% appreciated and noticed. Thank you so much once again. So currently I am in Enugu city, and from the title of the video you already know what this city is all about. You already know what this video is all about. So today I'll be hanging out with Chief Vera. For me, Chief Vera is like the top YouTuber based here in Enugu, promoting Enugu city and its culture. So today we are going to be meeting, and we'll probably be talking about the challenges we YouTubers based in Nigeria do face. And by the way, it's been a very long time we wanted to do this collaboration, but because of some natural circumstances we haven't done so. But today I'm freaking excited to meet her, and with all that being said, let's drive out. Vera called me. She said she's on her way, so I thought she should be here by now. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. Where do you operate here?
Actually, I'm a vlogger, a YouTuber, yeah, online, from internet. Not like a... You understand what I mean?
No.
We work online, not like a physical shop. Yeah. You want to say hello to my audience?
No, we want to take my...
Okay, you want to take photos? Okay, oh sorry. Okay, for your grandchild. Okay. I think somewhere around here.
As I saw you.
With camera, okay. Don't worry. Hello.
And you won't take us.
How are you?
That's not them online. Online, no many will send their eye online.
Hey, sorry ma.
It's okay.
Alright, take your time. Have a nice day.
Thank you, my son.
So guys, Vera told me she's here. I've not seen her. Vera, where are you? I can't seem to find her. I think I'm going to give her a call. Let me call her, guys. Chief Vera. Oh, that's a prominent name. Hello, Chief Vera. Where are you? I cannot find you. Inside is Stephanie. Oh, you're already inside. Oh, no, I'm not inside. Let me come up. That first floor, right? Is it ground floor? I saw where they wrote something like that. Stephanie's Cook Academy. Is that the place? Okay. It's downstairs. Maybe I should ask the security then. Okay. So guys, she's already here, and I think I don't know actually where she is, because I was thinking she was here, and now she told me that that's the academy, but we are going to the restaurant. I think the restaurant, right? So I can't seem to find anything like Stephanie's restaurant here, so I think it's better I ask the security. Okay, well done. Okay, and Stephanie's place. Yes, I do.
Down.
Okay, I'm about now. And that park here, Meju motor guy, and I park motor bar. Okay. So, oh guys, I think I'm at the wrong place. But it's not far from the actual place where we're meeting. So right now I have to like get inside my car and drive out. I think it's behind this plaza. So far guys, my camera did too heavy. my hand on the shake. It's too heavy, so I think I'm gonna switch it off. Then I'll talk to you when I get to that location. So guys, we are here. I think there are some events going on. Of course, it's called event center. What do you expect? What do I expect? I expect events to be happening. I'm just trying to be funny. No. So right now, I don't have to give Vera a smiling face. Like, I have to be very mean so that she will know that I've been waiting for her for so long. You know, I have to give her a very mean face, not a friendly face. See, watch my face. Very mean face. Yeah, so guys, we are here. Vera, Stephanie's place. Yeah. And here she is. I've been saying hello. Hi. And here she is. Chief Vera. She's been keeping me waiting for a very long time. What happened?
It's traffic, right?
What happened? That's traffic.
Yeah, traffic.
Okay, guys, apology accepted. She said there's traffic.
But I sent you a
So
text.
I don't blame you. I didn't see your text.
Check my phone. I sent you.
On WhatsApp?
No. SMS.
Oh, I didn't see that. Sorry. Oh, good to have you here. Oh my God. It's been a very long time I wanted to do this. I'm happy to see you.
The pleasure is all.
I'm happy, so happy. Seriously. Thank you so much.
She's our boss.
Our boss?
You are the boss.
No, don't say that, please. I bet remember my hair pass me go high.
Alright, so
Please.
this is Eboh Media.
Yeah.
He's joined the Vera Studies School. And we'll just get right to it.
Exactly. Okay, we are here.
And he's having his beer. Eboh is stingy. Now for me, you not say me that I want to. Let it not be that said no. Yes. Is that how you guys do?
How?
You don't share your beers.
We do, I do share.
So why didn't you share yours with me?
They have to get a glass for you.
Okay.
One share is
Okay. COVID-19 or you think my mouth is that bad?
No, it's not about your mind. It's all about hygiene.
Oh,
Yeah.
hygiene.
For
Okay.
you don't know whether mine is bad
Oh,
or
that's
terrible.
true.
So I'm trying to like keep you on the safe side.
He's taking care of me. Right?
Exactly. I'm also like privileged to have you also. This is like a collaboration we are doing, so I'm so privileged. My audience out there, like, I've been like telling them much about you.
Are you sure?
For some that doesn't know about you. Yeah.
Alright, so but before I even get into that, this collaboration has been do you know when we start planning?
You don't pay. You don't pay.
It's been ages, guys. It's been ages. Like, plan. The last one was earlier this year, no?
Yeah, that was this year. Yeah,
Just this
early
year.
this year.
Yeah, early this year. So Eboh called me. I was like, okay, Vera, let's do this. I said, no problem. I got ready. Next thing, was that his text message or call?
Was it me?
Yes, now you tells you called, say something came up, you're not feeling too good, you're
Oh,
emotional.
yeah. Okay, the mood wasn't right.
Yeah,
I told you the mood wasn't right. So I don't want to do a video that would be, be like I'm there physically, but emotionally I'm not there. So I want, whenever we get together, we bring out something valuable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so far so good. What are the challenges of being a travel blogger in Nigeria?
It's a lot.
Okay, can you tell
I
us?
can remember like when I was in Indonesia, like there's no person like never have taken light to it's different. So number one challenge here is power. But for me, I don't really feel power is part of the challenge, but I know for some others it is. But it does also affect me, but not like it's a major challenge to me. Power is a challenge, and another one is network, internet.
Okay. Yeah.
Internet is bad. Yeah, it's very expensive. It's actually expensive. It's expensive, and it's not really like up to that standard. Assuming it's expensive, but you are getting what you paid for. That would be. But so far we've been managing. Then another one is people. Yeah, I think that's the like the.
Should be the number one.
No, not the number one. The second.
Okay.
After number one, second.
Second one.
Yeah, the second one. Like people are not people are scared of camera in this country. I don't know why. Like yesterday, I went to a Western market to do a street photography, and most people were welcome. No, some people were welcoming, but most of them were not. Most of them would be like, "Why do you want to take my photo? You want to make money off my picture?" I said, "You know, be celebrity. Why? Wait till I want to use your picture too. I'm just trying to promote, you know, our community. I'm trying to promote, you know, the market and all that, you know. So at the same time, you know, so they were like, you have to pay me before I take a photo." I said, "Sorry, you're no bad, so make I go my way." So people are not really welcoming to, whenever they see camera, either they get nervous or they get scared, or some are also excited. So they will be, some will even call and film me or photograph me. Yeah. So people are not really welcoming us, and also like when you go to restaurant to film, or maybe even a whole shopping mall is saying no, it's not allowed. Like you have to use your, you can use your phone camera. What's the difference? It doesn't make any sense. But at the same time, it's all about promotion. We are all trying to promote the brand. We're all trying to promote, even if it's your personal business, we are trying to promote it, because if we are here filming, people already know we are here filming. Like tomorrow, other people will come, and when they come, of course, you are selling your stuff. You are selling out. So that's the part of the challenge. Yeah, people are not welcoming. They hate camera. I don't know what they hate camera. Most of the people here, they hate camera.
Okay. I've read or I've seen videos of some travel bloggers talk about being arrested or harassed by police or something. Have you had that experience before?
Yeah, I've had such experience, but it's not in Africa.
Okay, not in Africa.
In Africa, in Asia.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was in Asia that I had that experience. Not really because I'm a filmmaker, just because I'm black.
Interesting. Yes. Okay. What about where you have to settle some area boys before you go to some places? Have you guys done that?
Eko only bad. Okay, there is this something that happened like when I did there's this video. The video is really doing well in my channel, Lagos video. So the video is all about, it's a drone footage of Lagos, and I have a narration.
Yeah, I saw the video.
Yeah. New Lagos. So when I was doing the video, like I was using my drone. So I flew my drone. My drone has already did the whole recording. So I'm trying to call it back home. So on the way, this area boys, they came out. They were like, "You have to pay for the ground where you flew the drone from." I was like, I've already heard like the area boys disturbing even when you are filming. So I was thinking drone is like a different thing. I'm not holding my camera there, I'm moving out, like I flew my drone far away. So they were like, "I have to pay them." I was like, "Do you know who I am? Do you know who I'm working for?" I told them, "I'm working for government, you should be scared." They were like, "They don't sign though."
I know.
Who be government?
That's easy. Look, I feel like you even made a mistake by telling them you're from the government, because once you mention government, what they see government as is money.
Really?
Yeah, they see, oh, you're from the government, that means you have a lot of money. But you come and share the money with us, you know. People are trying to cut from the national cake, and you're not making yourself like the baker.
I'm not portraying myself like I'm the main person in the government. I'm like one boy.
One boy.
Something like that.
Even the least person in government has money.
Right?
That's what they believe. Because I've had such experience before. They were all saying that I'm from UNESCO. Yeah. So, and you know, UNESCO is like a government thing. So I told them that I'm not from UNESCO. They said, no, all these people that work with government, that they give you a lot of money for this project, and you know, you now come there, you don't want to spend the money on us. So they were all adamant. I told them, please, I'm a student, and talk more, and thank God for my small PC. I told them I'm a student of it.
Serious?
I'm doing it for school project, blah blah blah. At the end of it, they settled them, but it was a little thing compared to the amount there. So once you tell them you're from the government, you set yourself up for.
I think that's a mistake, because I was like, I don't want to feel intimidated. That's why I spoke up like that, because I know I've traveled like the whole of Southeast, the whole of South. So I said like, I haven't encountered such things. So why would I know I've been hearing about area boys in Lagos, but these guys were like brutal. So what made me give up was like, the guy were like, I will smash this drone, and I look at the guy is rough. There is a scar in the hair, there's a scar in the jaw, there's a scar all over. We're like, this one is trouble.
Yeah.
This one I said, okay, cool down, make I land down. The guy is putting his hand to this thing will cut your hand. Say no, see wound. Then he's telling me, didn't you see my scar? So I'm not scared of being hurt or something like that. I said, bro, calm down. No, make an hand. I go find you something. Imagine. So I did that. I went somewhere and I gave them money and I left. So for that side, it's really Lagos is one of the places like where you want to film. Yeah, like I really respect any content creator filming in Lagos. I respect them because that place is. It's tough. It's tough. But you guys are doing marvelous. It's tough, really.
Okay, well, now moving away from that part, so we've heard of the challenges you have. Now, you go through all of these challenges of both light, internet, and all, even area boys to create content. So people come online to talk down that content. They are telling you, oh, you did not get this part, or this part you got. Why did you get it? So I want to go. I've seen some of those comments, such comments on your channel. I also get such comments. I want to know, as a fellow creator, how do you handle such comment? Because some people go as far as sending you emails, like long you see email like an episode.
If they have your number, they will even send you personal message. Yeah.
So some people do that. So how do you handle it?
I try not to get emotional. I try not to take things personal. Okay, I would say when I started, I was like, when we started something new, I was like a bit too emotional involved with the comments of people. Then with time, I come to realize like if I may look at all these things, I'm not going anywhere. I'll be limited. You understand? So I was like, I don't give a F, man. Like, let me do what I feel like I want to do. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, you like my videos. So these days when I get all these comments, I just leave it. I will not reply it. I will just ignore it. But if I see a positive one, I will definitely reply that. But once it's negative, I will just ignore it. I will not delete it. I will just leave it there. So it doesn't get to me because I know like no amount of anything you do to please humans. Yeah. So
you can't just please
you can't please people. So I just do myself.
Alright. So right now, you're a travel vlogger and all of those things. How do you finance your trip and all of those things? Is there any government backing?
Government.
Or maybe when now we got a community like, this guy is doing good.
Government.
So is there maybe an NGO? How do you do
Okay, when I started with my savings. Okay, based on buying camera, buying drone. That was when I was outside. Like after my studies, I had the opportunity to work. Then I got some savings, came back. I bought the drone. Actually, some of my gadgets I'm using, I bought it outside before coming back. So when I came back, I started, creating. So I know, like, when I came back, I gave myself like a target, like, bro, if you don't come back, okay, this is a hustle now. Like, you have to create. Because it was when I was in Nigeria, I got my channel monetized, not outside. So I created like back to back. That was when I was traveling to South, the whole of South states, South states. So luckily for me, people like what I'm doing, they subscribe, I got monetized. So since then, I've been like championing my channel, my content creation from my YouTube revenue.
Okay. So right now, the channel has gotten to a point that it can finance. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me. So guys, that's the end of our video today. I hope you guys like Vera has already made you guys know more about me. So like,
yes, he's a mysterious man. Like when you watch him,
you won't get to know my personality or anything.
Straight serious.
So guys, you guys have seen it. So like I've been longing to work with her. I've been longing to have this collaboration with her because I find her very interesting. She's so fluent and eloquent and she's focused. She's straight to the point. So guys, do make sure to check out her channel. Definitely, I'm going to put out her link on my description below. Check it out and enjoy her content. So I'll see you guys when next time I talk to you. Peace.